Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week is Valentine's Day. I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to some chocolate covered strawberries. But anyways, it's Valentine's Day. I had to come at you guys with a look. Like, come on. Who doesn't want hearts on their eyes for Valentine's Day? Everybody does, okay? Everybody wants some hearts on their eyes, okay? It's all about love. It's all about hearts. You know, with your boo. If you don't got a boo. With your friends. If you don't got friends. We in the same boat, because neither do I. But it's okay. It's okay. You don't need anybody. Spoil yourself. Okay? Spoil yourself. But yeah, so if you wanted to see how I created this look, just keep on watching.
So we're going to start off by priming the eyes with the P.LOUISE base in RUMOUR 2. And we're just going to place a dot on our eye. And then I'm going to take the MORPHE M432 brush and I'm just going to spread that out. Then with my beauty blender, I'm going to just blend that all out and make sure that it's completely blended with no creases. We're not going to set this because this base is meant to be used without being set. And then today we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And we're going to be using the shades Demore, Dollface, and Risque. So first with the color Demore with a MORPHE M433 brush, we're just going to pack on that shade. Because with the P.LOUISE base, you really have to pack on the color first since you're not setting it. And then you're going to go in and you're going to blend. Make sure that when you're packing it at the end of your eye, you're going to wing it out. So you're really just going to blend it upwards with the color that's left over. And then with the shadow Dollface, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pack it on first. And you're going to pack on that color until you get it to the intensity that you want it. And then you're going to blend it upwards with the leftover that's on the brush. And blend that into the color that we used more as a transition shade. You're just going to blend it upwards so that it has a seamless blend. And don't forget to wing out the end. Then with the shadow Risque, we're going to do it the same thing, but this time we're going to focus more on just blending it and not really packing it, and then slowly just grabbing more color and blending it, because we are using a darker color and we're just using this to give it more depth and not really to have that intense color. Once again, winging it out the end. And then going back in, we're going to just blend it upwards so that there's a seamless blend and all the colors look nice together. Then with a fluffy brush, I used the color Demore and I really just try to re-blend it out on the top to make sure that it was seamless. Then with the P.LOUISE base, RUMOUR 0 and a SEPHORA Pro Shader brush, we're going to cut the crease. So as usual, when I usually cut my crease, I place it, then I look up. For this look, since we are doing full-blown cut crease, I decided to overcut my crease so that when my eyes are open, you don't see it fold, because I do have two different hooded eyes, so one does usually look higher than the other. And we're just going to put that all over, and because you're putting it on top of pink, it will slightly turn into a pinkish color, but it's fine. We're going to put a shimmer over it. So we're just going to keep going. And throughout, I just compare it to the other side because I really don't want it to have two different wing looks. And then we're just going to do like the wing. And here's where I really messed up and was blue. So I grabbed just the fine detail brush, went over it with some eyeshadow, really blended it out, went away. Then with the BPERFECT Stacey Marie Carnival palette, I took the shade Pink Me. And I just packed that all over the lid where I put that white concealer, and just really make sure that you're getting that color all over. I really like this color because it's white, but if you turn in a certain way, it's like a holographic pink color. And then with the white liquid eyeliner, we're going to do the heart. So just slowly do the full half heart on the one side. And I did this very slowly, dipping back in, not making sure I didn't take a lot of product, and just slowly did the line. I do have to get a new eyeliner because white eyeliner tends to crack a lot and it's difficult to work with. But Then I'm doing the other side where you're not going to do completely down, just on the color part, and then on the bottom with the line and connecting it. And just, once again, I went over it just to intensify that white color. Then I'm just packing on my AliExpress lashes in the style D21, my favorite lashes. Once again, I do the end, middle, inner corner. And then going back in with Risque and a fine detail brush, I'm just going to buff out my lower lash line. And then with the shadow Pink Diamond, I'm going to place that all over. In the Huda Beauty palette, these colors are very intense and glittery. And this is the finished look. So, hope you guys enjoyed this very cute and simple Valentine's Day look. Thank you. Bye.